£5,200 is invested at 2.8% compound interest per annum, which is per year. How many years will it take for the investment to exceed £7,000? So I start off with 5,200, and I want to know. It's always start off 100%, and we're adding on 2.8% per year. So altogether, we're going to have 102.8% timesing by 102.8% each time, which is 1.028 as a decimal. So times by 1.028. I don't know how many years it is, so I'm going to put a question mark, but I want that to be bigger than 7,000. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use trial and improvement. So on my calculator, I'm going to put all of this. And the question mark, I'm going to fill in with a different number each time. So 5,200 times 1.028, and let's start with 5. Well, let's start with 10. Always start with 10. So to the power of 10. So we've got 5,200 times 1.028 to the power of 10. And I come out with 6853.8. Well, we can see that's too little. We want it to be bigger than 7,000. So I'm going to go a bit more. So 5,200 times 1.028 to the power of 15. All I need to use is my backwards arrow keys on my calculator and change the 10 to a 15. And I get 7868.6. Now that's quite a bit more. So I'm going to go back down. And I'm going to have a look at 5,200 times 1.028 to the 11. Again, use my backwards arrow keys, and I get 7,045.7. That is just above the 7,000. So in the 10th year, it's not enough, but in the 11th year it is. So my final answer is 11 years.